The future isn't coming, it's already here. Welcome to NextEdge AI Studio. Let's dive in.
Hello guys, so now I'm going to be taking you through how I designed a professional flyer using ChatGPT. So firstly, I went to Pinterest to download the image sample that I'll be using as my design sample. So I can as well just give ChatGPT the prompts to design a professional flyer for me, but there's a particular sample that I want to use. So firstly, I went to Pinterest to download my image. You can go to any website to download a sample of the flyer that you want to design. So firstly, I went to Pinterest to download my image. This is the image I downloaded from Pinterest, and this is the image I designed. You can see that it looks exactly the way it is. So now what I want to do is, and this is the second one, so I'll take you through how I designed these two professional flyers. So firstly, you go to your ChatGPT, open your ChatGPT. You can design this within a minute. So go to your ChatGPT. This is my ChatGPT. All I did was uploaded the image sample. This is the image sample that I uploaded, and I input a prompt for ChatGPT to work on. So I said, describe this poster image and generate a prompt to create a replica copy of it using a reference image that will be attached to the prompt to generate it on ChatGPT. So this was the prompt that I gave ChatGPT. And then if you want this prompt, you can check my Telegram account. You see the link below on my YouTube below. So just click on it and it will take you to my Telegram account. You can copy the prompt there to use for your design. So after I give this prompt to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT went ahead to describe the poster, you can see everything that was in the poster detailed towards here. And then after it described, it also created a prompt that it will use to design a new one. So this is the prompt here. You can see, create a professional university election campaign poster using the attached reference image as a candidate. So it went ahead and provided me with a prompt to design. And then after the whole thing, and I used the same prompt. I said I copied the prompt and I pasted it. I did a little editing on it. This is the prompt. I edited it, input the new name that I want on it, the new details that I want in the appropriate place. So, and I clicked enter, and this was what the ChatGPT gave me as the design. This is the first design that it gave me. So, and I needed 2 copies, so I just told ChatGPT improve on the design and make it more colorful. And then ChatGPT went ahead and make it more colorful. This is the second image that was designed for me by ChatGPT. So you can see in less than a minute, you design a professional flyer using just ChatGPT and Pinterest. Thank you for staying tuned. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share our comments share our channel so that other people can also get this information. Thank you.
We have come to the end of this tutorial. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks.